Hi there. Today we're having a look at GCSEs, or General Certificate of Secondary Education. GCSEs are part of the national curriculum taught to pupils aged 14 to 16 in school years 10 and 11. The chosen subjects are studied over 2 years, with final exams being taken in year 11, which is the end of Key Stage 4. Results of these exams have a significant bearing on a child's future. GCSEs replaced the old O-levels, ordinary levels and CSEs. The first GCSE exams took place back in 1988, although many changes to GCSEs have taken place since then. Not all subjects are compulsory for GCSEs. There are 3 core subjects: English language, maths and science. Most further education courses will expect you to have GCSEs at a specific level in these subjects. All other subjects taken at GCSEs are optional, and as you can see here from our list, the choice is vast. You can choose to study GCSEs in the arts, such as art and design, music, dance, drama and media arts, or in design and technology, such as electronics, food technology, graphics, systems and control, textiles, in humanities, such as geography and history, or modern foreign languages, for example, French, German and Spanish. Options do vary by school, so you will need to check with your school to see what options are available for you to choose. Each school determines the number of GCSEs its pupils can take, and this could be as many as 12 or as few as 7. Aside from the obligatory maths, science and English, pupils select their remaining GCSE options in Year 9. So how are GCSEs graded? Well, in the past, students were given marks between an A star, which was the highest, and a G, which was the lowest. And scores below a G were marked as a U for ungraded. In 2017, this all changed. Grades now range from 9, which is the highest, to a 1, which is the lowest. And as you can see here, you can see how the grades compare, the new and old grades. So how important are GCSEs? They are a very important part of your academic journey. The results you get can affect the qualifications you can take next, the universities you can apply to, and your future career prospects. Most employers will look at your GCSE qualifications to check your results in subjects relevant to the work they do. And some companies will expect you to have at least 5 GCSEs, including English, maths and science. There are several examination boards covering GCSEs: AQA, the Assessment and Qualification Alliance, OCR, Pearson EdXL. The Welsh Joint Education Committee is the main examining board in Wales, and the Council for the Curriculum, Examinations and Assessment is the examining board and regulator in Northern Ireland. So that's just a brief overview of GCSEs. If you want to find out more, check out the link below.